Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best dash cam to protect your car in 2026, you're in the right place. Dash cams are no longer optional. They're essential for accident-proof, parking security, and peace of mind. In today's video, I've listed the top 5 best dash cams of 2026 based on video quality, features, reliability, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 4K plus 4K dash cam front and rear with 128 gigabytes included. This premium dash cam records true 4K resolution on both the front and rear cameras, which is rare even in 2026. It comes with a free 128 gigabyte memory card, supports up to 512 gigabytes, and includes built-in GPS and 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi. The video clarity is excellent, capturing license plates and road signs even at high speed. The 170-degree wide-angle lens ensures wide coverage, while the 3-inch IPS screen makes settings easy. It also supports 24-hour parking mode, making it ideal for full-time protection. Pros: true 4K plus 4K recording, free 128 gigabyte card included, fast 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS tracking, large storage support up to 512 gigabytes. Cons: higher price compared to basic dash cams. Parking mode needs hardwire kit. If you want top-tier video quality and premium features, this is one of the best dash cams money can buy in 2026. Number 2. 4K front plus full HD 3-channel dash cam with 128 gigabytes included. This dash cam offers 3-channel recording, front, rear, and interior, making it perfect for rideshare drivers. It includes 4K front recording, built-in GPS, 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and HDR Night Vision. The interior camera is great for recording inside the car, while the front camera delivers sharp 4K footage. The collision sensor and G-sensor automatically lock important clips during accidents. Pros: 3-channel recording, front, rear, and inside. Free 128 gigabyte memory card. Strong night vision with HDR. GPS and fast Wi-Fi included. Cons: the interior camera may not be useful for everyone. Slightly smaller screen. This is a perfect dash cam for Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers who want full interior and exterior coverage. Number 3. Navycrest 4K dash cam front and rear with 64 gigabytes included. The Navycrest dash cam records 4K front and 1080p rear and includes a 64 gigabyte memory card. It features 5G Wi-Fi, loop recording, and a gravity sensor for emergency locking. This model delivers strong performance for its price. Video quality is sharp, installation is easy, and the app connection is stable. It's a solid choice for daily drivers who want reliability without overspending. Pros: 4K front camera, stable Wi-Fi connection, easy installation, good value for money. Cons: rear camera limited to 1080p, smaller included memory card. A great mid-range dash cam that balances performance and affordability. Number 4. 1080p 3-channel dash cam front, rear, and inside with 32 gigabytes included. This is a budget-friendly 3-channel dash cam offering front, rear, and interior video at 1080p resolution. It includes night vision, HDR, loop recording, and 24-hour parking mode. While it doesn't offer 4K recording, it still captures clear footage for daily use. It's especially useful for families, taxis, and rideshare drivers on a budget. Pros: affordable price, 3 camera coverage, night vision and HDR, easy to use. Cons: no 4K resolution, smaller 32 gigabyte memory card. If you're on a tight budget but want full cabin and road coverage, this dash cam is a smart choice. Number 5. REDTIGER 4K dash cam front and rear f7 9p. The f7 9p features a Sony Starvis 2 sensor, delivering excellent low-light performance. It records 4K front and full HD rear, includes GPS, fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and a wide 170-degree viewing angle. Night footage is where this dash cam really shines. The Starvis 2 sensor captures bright, detailed footage even in poor lighting. The app is fast and GPS tracking is accurate. Pros: excellent night vision, Sony's Starvis 2 sensor, fast video download speed, premium build quality. Cons: app setup may take some time, slightly premium price. This is one of the best dash cams for night driving and low light conditions in 2026. So that's it for today's video on the top 5 best dash cams of 2026. All the product links are in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.